birds are singing. The flowers are blooming. It's springtime again. You know what that means. Spring cleaning. But who has the time? Then you saw the sign. And another sign. And another sign? You thought to yourself,
Maybe it's a sign.
you saw the sign, now make the call. And leave the heavy lifting to us. April showers bring May flowers, and Wingman Junk Removal helps you save hours. Call 912-456-1010 or visit us at wingmanjunkremoval.com today. Sun's out, guns out, Wingman Junk Removal, here to get that junk out.